Hi everybody, welcome back for another snorkeling adventure. I had to video this disgusting looking algae because it's just so disgusting, but I wonder why it's here. I'm thinking it might be a seasonal thing, or it has just taken over this area because of the chemicals in the water or something, but if you know, please leave a comment down below. Now let's see what else we can find. I'm not sure if you can see it on your device, but there is a little black tip reef shark over there that quickly swam out of sight. So by now I think it is gone, but it's hard to tell because the conditions are kind of murky today. But I keep looking around for it. You know how it is when you see a shark, you wonder if it's going to circle back towards you. And my breathing is kind of heavy because I was trying to swim fast to catch up to it, but it really is gone and I didn't see it again. I think this is called a SLINGJAW wrasse. The bluefish is a type of parrotfish. These three fish are called bullethead parrotfish. This pufferfish is called a black-spotted puffer. This is a shell of a sea biscuit, which is in the sand dollar family, which is also in the same family as sea urchins. They live under the sand and use their little spikes to dig around. I could not find this fish in my fish book, but it looks like it's a type of wrasse. There's a lot of different kinds of butterfly fish here at the Piti Marine Preserve. There's a large school of lined spinecheeks with some other fish mixed in. There's some yellowfish down there that's either called a forceps fish or a long-nosed butterfly, the ones with the long nose. And then the pure yellow was a yellow tang. There's a school of unicorn fish down there, and you can also see Fisheye Marine Park. There's a lot of blue spine unicorn fish down there, and also a lot of other kinds. There is a yellow spotted trevally swimming with these other bluefin trevallies. There's a guy feeding the fish over there, so that's why all the fish are swarming around him and you can't really see him. It's kind of fun to bring hot dogs or something to Fisheye so you can feed the fish, because the fish all come too. It's really cool. You should try it sometime.
Behind me, and there's just a huge swarm of fish over here. They're jumping out of the water.
Join me in this video at the end to see another snorkeling adventure. And please subscribe so you can be alerted to more. And don't forget to press that like button. Thank you so much for watching.